I have a 2009 Nissan Altima that won't start, and this is due to the steering lock failure. Taking off the bottom casing so that you can see it. I've watched videos where you've seen people play around with the steering wheel and eventually shaking it to the point where it'll engage the steering lock and allow you to start the car. What I found, in the case that I get stranded, I'll take something and just hit the steering lock and then continue to do so until I can start the car. And eventually what I'll be able to do is start the car so that I'm not stranded. So for anyone that's dealing with the same issue, you can try this and it may save you from having to have your car towed to the dealership.